So let's have a look at how to change the theme on Google Slides by going to SlidesCarnival. So this is my slides presentation that I want to change the theme. If I click on theme, I can see a few different themes that are coming up, but we are going to, at this stage, go and choose a SlidesCarnival and upload it. We're going to use this import theme. So let's go to SlidesCarnival first. In SlidesCarnival, this is the link that I've given you. Once you go in here, you can either choose one of these that are available or go down here and click on Templates and Google Slides Themes. As you go down, you just have a look at the ones that are being shown on the main page. But if you keep going down, you will see that you can move along to the next page. Okay, there are lots of pages. So we're just going to go down until we find one that we like. Okay, haven't found one yet. So I'm going down. Don't mind that one. Let's have a look at another one. Now remember to choose a theme that will go with the type of discussion that you are going to make. I'm going to choose this one for now, just to show you. Then we're going to click on Preview and Download. Now I don't want to download it as a PowerPoint at this stage. I need the Google Slides theme, and this is because we are using G Suite, and the only way that you can share it properly with everyone to make sure everyone is in the same boat, you must use Google Slides themes. Now you can have a look at the slideshow here by just going next and seeing what all the slides are. You'll see that there are 28 slides here, and that's okay. You don't need to use all 28 slides. Max, you'll probably need about 10 or 15 slides to get through your presentation, but you want to download everything and then take it from there, and I'll show you what to do later. So let's go and use it as a Google Slides theme. What happens is the minute I open it up, it will go to this screen and I will just say use template. I have to be in my school account to make sure it will show up here on my Google account, on my student Google account. Now this is called Sylvia SlidesCarnival, so I'm going to find it fairly easy. You can add these things to slides, but we don't want to do that right now. So these are the slides that I've done that have come with the presentation. I may not use all of it. I may use some of them. As I said before, I may even repeat some of these, but don't worry about that. That will come in good time. Let's go back to our original slides, and now we're ready to import the theme. We're going to look for Sylvia. There it is there. It's just popped up now. So I'm just going to select that and watch what happens. Select it. I'm just going to import the theme. Close that. Now if I go here, there's the theme that has been imported. Okay, so all I need to do is to change the first slide, get rid of that one, delete the slide, there we go, and here we have the title. The title will be whatever your presentation. I'm just going to call it MLOL. And that will give you an idea of how to import the presentation. Again, when you add a slide, you add them from up here. Now it's only imported the basic parts of the slide, and that's fine. You always have the original over here, which you can go and have a look at how to set them up. That's it from me. Good luck with your presentation. See you soon.